one of the videos I promised I would make on Instagram a while ago was how to make vanilla extract. If this is a little simple, I apologise, but hopefully you haven't seen this before and you'll find something that's very easy to make and really quite straightforward, tastes lovely and saves you a lot of money. But anyway, what I normally do is I start off with a maple syrup bottle. I'll take off the top and then we're going to move on to the vanilla pods. Now for the top, what I normally do is I cut these off. Some people discard them, I don't like discarding them, I'll normally add them to the bottle as well. But then you want to cut the bean pods into about 2, sometimes 4 pieces if you can be bothered getting that fiddly with it. It does get a little tricky once you've cut them into fourths. You want to put 5 pods of those, cut them into fourths or halves, whichever one you prefer, pop them in the bottle and then fill that bottle all the way up to the top. If you want to make it a little fancy, add mint leaves or citrus rinds, just make sure that those haven't been sprayed with anything and that they've been washed thoroughly. Add a cork to that, make sure that it's not going to leak, and then you want to leave it for between 3 to ideally at least 6 months, which is one of the reasons why I always have 2 bottles on the go. As you can see, the bottle on the right, that's the colour it's going to start to get once it's been sitting there for a while. I'll add one of those pouring spouts on the top, it makes it a lot easier to use, and that's pretty much it. Simple.
I wanna take a chance, losing my pride.